This is a presentation of counting shot design analysis of algorithm. Counting shot assumes that each of the n input elements is an integer in the range 0 to k. That is, n is a number of elements and k is the highest value element. The algorithm uses three arrays: input array, which stores input data, the output array finally stores the shorted data, and the sum count array, which is the which stores data temporarily. There are four steps. Find the highest element in the array if not given. Step 2, create a count array to store the count of each unique object or element. Modify count array by adding the previous number. Create the output array with the help of count array. Now I will be showing and walk through with an example. So let us assume there is an array which is in the range 0 to 5. So input are 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2. So first we will create an array that will hold the count of each number with index ranges from 0 to 5. The count array is given below. Now modify count array by adding the previous number. So the resultant gives 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now output each object from the input sequence from left to right, followed by decreasing count by 1. So here 1 is going out, and in the count array the index 1 contains position 1. So in the output array position 1 is occupied by 1. So by the same way 4 is also occupying position number 6. Then 3 goes, then 2 goes, then again 3 goes, then 5 occupies position number 7, and finally 2 occupies position number 2. So the array is now sorted, as you can see. Now the time complexity analysis. So first is the for loop to store the default value 0 in the sum count array, having constant time k time. Another for loop to store the count of the each unique element present in the input array, this having n time complexity. Next is another for loop from 2 to k to find the modified sum count array. It is also having k times. Next, and the last for loop does the main work, which is also having n time complexity. So the recurrence relation comes out to be 5n plus 4c, which is so the time complexity in big O notation is n o n. So the final review of counting shot assumption is that input taken is from small certain number of size k, and basic idea is count number of same elements, sum the array from left to right to get the position of that number, which is also the index. Some advantages are that it is fast, having on simple, and is the concept is simple to code. Some disadvantage is that it doesn't sort in place, requires extra on, extra storage. Thank you.